Hey, Mouseketeers! I am going to open some Doorables. Remember when? These have been on social media, on Instagram. I've noticed them for a while. However, I really didn't find them in any stores until about 2 weeks ago. Or at least the stores near me. Okay, so I got 2 of these packages from the Doorables Remember When. They're like little cameras. If you've ever seen online a Polaroid camera, it's an older camera, I think from maybe the 80s, might have even been the 70s. I think it was the 80s though, where you would take a picture and then it would actually come out and you would let it dry. You would have, your instant picture there instead of getting it developed. But anyway, these have, they're called Remember When, and they have Doorables inside. Here's the packaging. These, I believe, if I remember correctly, are about $9.99 or $9.97 at Target and Walmart. At Target, I think they're $9.99. At Walmart, they're $9.97. But at Target, if you're a Target Circle member, you get 5% off. So actually, Target would be the better option for those if you have a Target near you, or you can order them online. And then we have these little Doorable packs, Remember When. And these have 2 figures inside. The camera one, I don't think, it says 6 pieces. So I don't think there's 6 Doorables, but it must count the 2. I thought I've seen online that there's 3 figures in the camera one, and there's 2 in here, but I could be wrong. There may be actually 4 in the camera one and 2 in the other one. But let's take a look at this little flyer here and see if it says anything. It says there's 6 pieces, but it doesn't really tell me any other information. So anyway, I'm going to dig into these and see which Doorable figures we get. Okay, so I cut off the little tag, and that shows you the figures that you might get in the packages, and rather they're common or rare. And then I'll flip it over to the other side. Again, I don't know how many figures are in here, but let's find out. So I got the scissors so I could cut the plastic off. Let me slide some of these over so you can see what I open up here. And okay, so it's a cute little tray here. And, you open up the little tray and you can pull out. This is what I saw online. So anyway, you take the picture with the Polaroid camera and then you pull out the film, or in this case, it's Doorables. So, okay, one's stuck in there. Oh, so there's 4 inside. Okay, well, this one here is bigger, so it wouldn't actually go through the slot there. And then on the inside, there's a little card. So that looks like Baby Rapunzel picture. And I was looking to see if there was more, but that's the only one that's there. But that's really cute. Okay, so I'm going to put the little camera part back together. It just snaps together. Or I think so. Yeah, there we go. And then that opens up and closes. Okay, and then you can display your figures inside if you want. But I'm going to tear these apart and see who we get. Okay, so the first one looks like I see bunny ears. I bet it's Judy Hopps. Hey, Judy Hopps, cool. And she's a baby Judy Hopps, as these are Remember When. So I don't know if each package will have, an older character and then a younger character, but we'll find out here in just a second. Okay, so this one, Okay, so I see this, and I know it's Cusco from Emperor's New Groove. Oh, it's him as a llama. That's pretty funny. It's him as a llama with his emperor hat on. And then we got 2 more. So I don't know if I'll get another Cusco and another Judy, or if I'll just get 2 completely different figures. Oh, so I do. Okay, so the picture inside meant something because I got a young Rapunzel. Okay, young Rapunzel with long hair. And then the last figure, which was the one I couldn't get out the slot there. These all have numbers on them. I used to think the numbers meant something. I think they do in a way, but I've never really tried to figure out what they do mean. Hey, Mirabelle from Encanto. Okay, so she is actually an adult, and then Cusco would be an adult. But then we also got 2 young characters, which is Judy and Rapunzel. Okay, fun, huh? All right. So I'll look and see if these are common or rare in just a moment. I was going to go ahead and open up the other one. So again, I got scissors, and we'll move the tag, and then this plastic, once you make a little slot, it pulls right off, but you have to cut a little slot first. Okay, let's see if these pull out. All right, so we're pulling out our pictures. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the 6 pieces. You get 4 figures, and then the camera itself is 2 pieces. That's funny. There's even a little arrow on the first one to pull it out. All right, so this time I'm going to open them as I tear them off. And the first one that's out is, hey, a duplicate Rapunzel. How funny. I bought 2 packages and I got a duplicate already. So I'm assuming she's common. Okay, then the next one. All I see is hair. Can anybody guess? Maybe Flynn Rider? I don't know. No? Oh, I was way off. It is Simba. I'm pretty sure that's Simba, not Mufasa, but Simba from The Lion King. All right, and then we also got, well, I'm happy at least that, it wasn't complete duplicate sets, so far at least. Hey, Princess Tiana as a young Tiana before she became a princess. Princess Tiana. And before she was turned into a frog. Oh, I see pink. Have no idea. Just going to pull it out. Hey, Amber from Elemental. All right, so these are the 4 figures. Now I'm going to see what the picture is inside of here. Oh, and it's Tiana. Well, that's cool. So we got a Rapunzel in the one and Tiana in the other. Fun. And then there's like a little shelf here. So you could actually, Tiana should go up there. So you could put the figures in here to display them in your camera. Or you could even use it as a backdrop. So, there we go. So that's pretty cool, huh? All right, so now I'm just going to lay these in there, slide them over. So now I have these 3 boxes. And these have 2 figures each in them. So, let's see what we get. All right, these I can probably tear off, but I'm going to use the scissors. I always think the plastic, unless you have like a little place you can get your finger in and pull it, it's hard to get off. Okay, actually, why don't I just open them all up first? I was going to look, some mystery figures, and I don't think these do. But some mystery figures have a number on the bottom. I've noticed it with Just Play toys, their mystery figures, and a few others. But there's a code, a couple of numbers, maybe letters, and that way you know if you get a duplicate or not. But these, I don't see anything. It looks like they're just wrapped in plastic. And I think these are made by Just Play, aren't they? Yeah, they're made by Just Play. It's the Mickey, like the capsules, it has Mickey and Minnie and different characters in them. Those were the ones that had the numbers on the bottom, but I don't see anything printed on here. Okay, so I got the plastic off of them all. Okay, now there's a little slot here that you can pull open, but I'm just gonna open it from the top to see what we get. So they're in this little plastic thing here. There's a card. I'm not gonna look and see who's on the card, because that'll probably give it away. And here's the two figures. Let me slide those out of the way. So the first figure. And I got a second duplicate. Tiana. I got Rapunzel too, but as a duplicate. But that's Tiana. Hey, and Stitch. With the little frog. Experiment 626. In his alien costume with the frog on his head. So that's cool. And then the picture is Tiana. So I actually have two Tiana pictures now. Well, that's pretty fun that they even put a picture in these as well. Okay, so I'm just going to put the piece of plastic back in there and close the box. And then we'll see what's in this next one. Open it up. To reveal. Okay, another card, but I'm leaving it down so I don't see who's in there, because it gives away at least one of the figures. Okay, I'll go and put this back in here, and we'll see which two figures we get. Hey, Hercules. That's cool. So it's a Hercules figure. So the Hercules figure is here. However, he is kind of like a translucent figure. So anyway, he's here. He is the one remembering when he was younger. So I'm not sure if there is this figure plus another one. It's hard to tell by the picture. The picture here makes it look like he's not translucent, so that I don't know. When I was skimming through the flyer or the insert before, I didn't see him because I was looking so fast, but there he is. So that's the Hercules. I was looking to see if he was rare or common or what. Oh, another Rapunzel. Is she exactly? Yeah, she's exactly the same. Wow. I have 3 Rapunzels now. And the picture... That's funny. So in this camera, I had a Princess Tiana picture. In this camera, I had a Rapunzel picture. Now I have 2. Okay. Stitch, put you back up there and open the last one. So I only got a few of these because I wanted to see what I thought of them before I buy more. I like them. So I'll probably get more. But I kind of just wanted to see, exactly what they were, what kind of figures. There's a Dumbo one I've seen on Instagram, and it's so cute. So I'd like to get that, but I only have 2 figures left, so we'll see. I may have to stop at Target and pick up a few more. Hey, another Stitch with Scrump, but this one is different. So I wonder if that's the adult, and then that's the Remember When Stitch. Let's see if I can find it real fast here, and I will tell you. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to hold that up. So this is the adult Stitch, and then this looks like a baby Stitch. Okay, so that's what the Remember When series is, because they remember when they were a baby. Okay, but then the other one, so this card is either going to be Stitch or whatever this figure is, which is another Simba. Wow, that is interesting that I got so many duplicates with the different packs. But another Simba. That's the thing with mystery figures. Anybody who's bought mystery figures knows that you just don't know what you're going to get. You may get all like different figures, but you may get duplicates. And I often get duplicates. So this card is Stitch. Cool. So I'm wondering if all the cards are the Remember When, the character when they were younger, when they're remembering when they were younger. But as I get more, I will find out. Okay, so that's everything here. So you get 4 figures in the cameras, and then you get 2 figures in the mystery boxes, which I believe, and maybe I got my prices wrong here. Maybe they're $2.97. I got to look at that. Anyway, I'll put that up on the screen once I find those out. I said these were $9.99, but I got to look at that again. And then I have to look and see exactly how much the 2 packs were. So I have 3 Rapunzels, 2 Simbas, and 2 Tianas, but everything else was different figures. Okay, so we got Judy Hopps, the Stitch Remember When figures. The Judy Hopps is the Remember When, but we also got 2 Simbas, which would be Remembering When. Then we got the 2 Tianas, which Tiana would be Remembering When. We have the 2 Rapunzels, or sorry, 3 Rapunzels, and she's the Remember When. And then we got Amber from Elemental, Mirabelle from Mirabelle from Encanto, and then Cusco from Emperor's New Groove. And that is what we got from the 2 camera packs and 3 little mystery boxes that has the 2 figures. Thank you for watching, Mouseketeers. I am going to zoom over these at the end of the video. I know I just showed you exactly what I got, but I'm going to zoom over these at the end. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe already, will you please click the subscribe button down below? I hope to buy more of these Doorables Remember When characters, and I'll be opening more in the future. So I hope to see you real soon, Mouseketeers.